Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down again to localize auto screen off and tap on this option. As you can see here, we've got some options connected with the automatic screen off. So at the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 30 minutes, just tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will automatically black out after 30 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.